One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about UberX. UberX Priority, the explanation of it a little bit more than just it's a pay increase.
There you go. Okay. So we talked about this last week, but I want to finish this because I got a lot of emails, and one email I put it up from Catherine. If you're watching, Catherine, amazing. I mean, she does this amazing emails, bro, and she condenses everything, puts the screenshots in. That's why this by far is the best audience, rideshare audience. Period.
Oh yeah, and you're going to see that in the next topic, how everything's lined up.
Most knowledgeable, and they make my life so easy because I get too many emails. So again, this is from my app. UberX Priority showed up, and then finally, after we talked about it, 2 days after last Tuesday, Chris, they sent me this in-app message.
Oh, finally.
Yeah, they did. Uber, because we didn't know, nobody knew what the heck it was, right? And I'm like, and the people at Uber are watching, and then they're all like, "What? We didn't tell the drivers what this was? It just showed up." I'm like, "Yeah." and then this shows up because UberX Priority for passengers in a hurry. You now have the opportunity to make more on trips when nearby riders request a priority pickup. This is from my app. UberX Priority is now available in your city. UberX Priority pays an additional amount compared to UberX, which will be shown to you on the trip offer card. Have full control over your trip preferences. UberX Priority is now a separate option to UberX. How much you want to bet in like 3 months it'll be inside UberX?
Well, because everybody will turn UberX off. They want priority, or any other
my X, Share, and Comfort are all in one. Yeah. And they used to be all separate. Yeah, I mean, UberX Priority now separate option. So now what I can do, this is Fight Club words, but hey, I'm going to say it anyway. I'm just going to click UberX Priority. I'm going to click off everything else, drive right in a sticky search, grab it, and then grab that thing, because I could do it with Uber Pet too, but what the hell, just try UberX Priority, grab my sticky, and then drive around, and then turn on UberX and grab a shorty, and then go on with my life.
Wrong.
No, we got an explanation, Robert. Come on, man.
Wrong.
So now it says you can turn this option on and off anytime. This means you can receive UberX Priority requests without opting into UberX. Meaning, you can do this by visiting the preferences section. So just click on UberX Priority. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click UberX Priority and collect that extra juice that they are shaving off the base fare, though.
That's what I was just going to say. See, here's the problem with your collecting the surge, because your collection of the surge on Uber Pet or UberX Priority is not going to be the same, because they're just going to shave it off the base fare. And then that way it's going to equal itself out. So maybe you'll get a little bit more, but in reality, you're probably not. All they're going to do is just lower the UberX fare.
Probably so. Because I'm telling you, when I look at my rider app, and if I click priority, bro, there's a massive difference between UberX and UberX Priority. I mean, the rider is paying like really a lot more than a regular UberX trip.
You know what's funny? When I looked it up last year, last year, when I looked it up last week when we were doing it, UberX Priority was cheaper than an UberX.
Yeah. Well, really? Did you have a flash discount? I don't know.
I'm actually opening it up right now just to see.
So just remember, Sergio, the bulk of the rides are going to come through UberX and X Share. Yes, that's true. That's how they find the ants, no matter what tier you sit at. Okay, cool.
Oh no, now it's $2 more.
It's it's in LA, it's a lot more. Anyway, so now I have this choice of UberX Priority. I'm putting money on it over under 3 months that it's going to be combined with UberX Share and Comfort. Period. That's what I'm betting on. We'll see. 3 months over under. That's my over under bet. Anyway, so this is this.
Now we have a Connect Saver and a Connect Express. Whoa.
On your app?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
So now you can get a drug mule for 2 ways: Connect Saver and Connect Express.
Yeah, UberX teen priority. Let's not go there at all. What?
Lynn got a $500 tip on DoorDash. Holy shit.
What is that? Like 8 million packages? $500 tip. Oh, tip. What'd you do? Like a catering order? I don't know. Holy crap. I'm sure you're going to post that on X, right? There you go. We'll go check it out. Congrats. Holy crap. $500. My best tip was $100 cash.
Nice little Christmas bonus there. But anything more on UberX priority?
No,
I don't know.
So now we know what it is.
There you go. So it's a little bit more than it's just going to pay you more. They don't tell you how much or anything like that. So
well, now we have a choice of just selecting that. Right? Yeah. That's it.
Which just I'm not going to complain about. I mean, if you want to do more top tier or like comfort, if you want to do it's tied in. So never mind. If you want to do like inner city priority, XL if you have it, pet, those types of things are.
Look at that one. That's not funny, bro. No, they're not going to take the tip back. Once the tip is in, cash out, Lynn. Cash out immediately.
Yeah, but then when you wake up tomorrow morning and you turn your app back on, it's going to say negative $495.
Let's not rain on her parade. $500. Holy shit. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Go put it all on Dogecoin now.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.